Nature's fury doesn't come with a warning, and what you're about to witness is proof of a power far beyond imagination. The raging floodwaters surged into residential homes, sweeping away soil, debris, and household items. The scene lasted only a few seconds but left behind heavy consequences, including property damage and numerous injuries.
Oh yeah. Kunde wer kennt ihr was? In the blink of an eye, a wind 10 times stronger than usual blew away everything in its path.
Get away from the windows! Everybody in the middle!
On March 11, 2011, a 9.0 magnitude earthquake triggered a devastating tsunami, becoming the worst natural disaster in Japan's modern history. The tsunami claimed over 18,000 lives, or left them missing, destroyed tens of thousands of homes, and led to a severe nuclear accident at the Fukushima power plant. A sudden flood turned an entire city into a sea of water. The image of a man desperately clinging to the roof of a car being swept away gripped every viewer's heart. What do you think the city should do to reduce risks when heavy rains occur?
Anam sele bak sele. Arabalara bak arabalara. Arabalara bak ya adam gidecek adam. Şu araba buraya engelledi. Abi de gitti. Arabalar...
Araba kaydı gidiyor. Arabalar Şahin gidiyor.
Şahin. Aha. Aha. Aha.
Ben sesle gidiyor.
Aha. Aha. Aha. Aha.
Şahin gitti Şahin.
Abi Şahin gitti. Araba gidiyor. Aa vurdu. Vurdu. Abi. Abi. Bak bak nasıl. Aa. Abi. Abi. Nasıl gidiyor? Aa. Abi. Abi.
Adam izleyecek.
Baba!
Çekil şuradan.
Baba!
Gir içeriye. İçeriye gir.
Himachal Pradesh in northern India endured the worst flood in 75 years as floodwaters from upstream poured in with terrifying pressure. Don't play games with nature. The raging floodwaters, like a waterfall, swept away many vehicles. This is a reminder of the potential risks when building near rivers and streams. What would you think if that were your house? Would you be willing to trade scenery for safety? Murky waters roared through, breaking down every barrier and surging directly into residential units. The makeshift walls couldn't hold, forcing many families to evacuate urgently. The strong currents not only destroyed streets, but also threatened long-standing religious structures. This is a powerful reminder of the destructive force of natural disasters in an era of increasingly extreme weather due to climate change. Do you think ports should revise their container stacking standards to cope with extreme weather? Natural disasters take away many things, but they also leave behind unforgettable stories. Subscribe to continue witnessing and reflecting.